What's going on, guys? So today we're going to be working on laying some hardwood flooring. We've got 138 black butt boards and we're going to be secret nailing and gluing them. So first thing to do is cut down all our architraves so that the boards can sit flush underneath. Alright, so now that we have all our architraves all cut down so the floor will just fit underneath, we're going to start working on planing in the yellow tongue flooring so it's all flush and our boards will sit level on top. Okay, so once it's been planed and sanded, it should look somewhat like this. The two joints should be flush. So we've done it throughout the whole room in here where we're going to be laying the boards. So what we're doing now, we're setting up a string line that's going to be 135. Our boards are 130, so there's going to be a 5mm gap off the wall. Running the string line from here all the way to over there, just at the start of the stairs. And what that's going to do is make sure that all our boards are straight and you don't see any wobbles along the hallway when you walk down. And cut in between under the doors. Now what we can do is just start laying back through the whole room.
There we go. Got that last one ripped in and all of them are in. Alrighty, so the floor is all finished now. Basically we're just going to put our skirting down and then the floor sanders will come in, sand all the floors and put their finish on top. And then that's about it. Thanks for watching guys, see you on the next one.